Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a broad field that includes developing intelligent systems that can perform tasks that typically require human-level intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, perception, and natural language processing. Many different AI tools can be used for various applications, including chat, audio, video, and other aspects of AI. The presentation tonight is split between hands-on and videos. So let's listen up as we get a closer look at AI from returning visitor, Bob GOSTISCHA. Bob?
Thank you. AI, a closer look. AI is certainly more than ChatGPT and DALL-E 2. AI is being utilized across a wide range of industries, and its applications are continuously evolving. The following video will outline some of the industries that heavily depend on AI. A sampling of the many industries that depend on AI. AI is being utilized across a wide range of industries, and its applications are continuously evolving. Here are some of the industries that heavily depend on AI. Healthcare. AI is being used to improve patient outcomes and reduce the cost of care in the healthcare industry. Machine learning algorithms are used to analyze large amounts of patient data to provide personalized treatment plans. AI chatbots are also being used to answer basic questions and provide patients with information on their health care. Finance. AI is used in the finance industry to analyze and interpret large amounts of financial data in real time. It is used to predict market trends, identify potential fraud, and automate trading. AI algorithms are also used to personalize investment recommendations for customers based on their individual needs and goals. Retail. AI is being used in the retail industry to improve customer experience and increase sales. It is used to analyze customer data and provide personalized recommendations for products and services. AI-powered chatbots are also being used to assist customers with their inquiries and provide real-time support. Manufacturing. AI is being used to improve manufacturing processes and increase efficiency. It is being used to optimize supply chain operations, predict equipment failures, and automate production lines. AI-powered robots are also being used to perform repetitive tasks and increase productivity. Transportation. AI is being used in the transportation industry to optimize routes, reduce fuel consumption, and improve safety. It is used to analyze traffic patterns and provide real-time recommendations for drivers. AI-powered autonomous vehicles are also being developed to improve transportation efficiency and reduce accidents. Cybersecurity. AI is used in cybersecurity to improve the detection and prevention of cyber attacks. Here are some of the ways in which AI is used in cybersecurity. Threat detection. AI-powered systems are used to detect potential threats and vulnerabilities in real time. These systems use machine learning algorithms to analyze large volumes of data and identify patterns that may indicate an attack. They can also learn from past attacks to improve their ability to detect and prevent future attacks. Behavior analysis. AI-powered systems can analyze user behavior and identify anomalies that may indicate a potential attack. These systems use machine learning algorithms to learn about normal behavior patterns and identify deviations from these patterns. Malware detection. AI-powered systems can detect and prevent the spread of malware by analyzing code and identifying suspicious patterns. These systems can learn from past attacks to improve their ability to detect new strains of malware. User authentication. AI-powered systems can use biometric data to authenticate users and prevent unauthorized access to systems and data. These systems can use machine learning algorithms to learn about user behavior and identify potential fraud or impersonation. Threat responses. AI-powered systems can respond to threats in real time by automatically blocking suspicious IP addresses or quarantining infected machines. These systems can also initiate incident response procedures and alert security teams to potential threats. Overall, AI is used in cybersecurity to improve the speed and accuracy of threat detection and response. Its applications are expected to continue to expand as the threat landscape evolves and new technologies are developed. AI can be a powerful tool when used properly. Use it as a tool, not the final product. Stay safe, stay secure. I'll see you again soon, and thanks for watching.
During this presentation, I'll be sharing several videos that will give you a greater insight into AI. Please note that this presentation is meant as an overview of AI. It is not a class in AI, nor is it an endorsement for or against the platform. You see here a list of the videos that I'll be covering, and I'll be happy to answer any reasonable questions you may have about each video's content at the end of that video. Please hold personal opinions till the end of the presentation. AI, a closer look. AI is more than just ChatGPT. I used Pictory AI in the creation of this video. I like that program so much, I now pay for it. AI, a closer look. Artificial intelligence is a broad field that includes the development of intelligent systems that can perform tasks that typically require human-level intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, perception, and natural language processing. There are many different AI tools available that can be used for various applications, including chat, audio, video, and other aspects of AI. Chat AI tools. Dialogflow, a platform that allows developers to build conversational interfaces such as chatbots, voice assistants, and IVR systems. IBM Watson, a cloud-based tool that allows developers to build and deploy chatbots and virtual assistants that can be integrated with various channels such as Facebook Messenger, Slack, and more. BotPress, an open-source platform that allows developers to build chatbots using a drag-and-drop interface along with natural language processing and machine learning capabilities. RASA, an open-source machine learning framework for building conversational AI chatbots. Audio AI tools. Amazon Transcribe, a machine learning-powered service that allows developers to transcribe speech into text with support for multiple languages and accents. Google Cloud Speech-to-Text, a service that allows developers to transcribe speech into text using Google's machine learning models. Technolgy, an open source toolkit for speech recognition that provides a wide range of speech recognition and signal processing tools. Mozilla Deep Speech, an open source speech-to-text engine that uses deep learning techniques to transcribe speech into text. Video AI tools. Amazon Recognition, a machine learning powered service that can identify objects, people, and activities in video and images. Google Cloud Video Intelligence, a service that allows developers to extract metadata from videos such as labels, shot changes, and explicit content detection. IBM Watson Visual Recognition, a service that allows developers to train custom models to classify and detect objects, scenes, and faces in images and videos. OpenCV, an open source computer visual library that provides a wide range of tools and algorithms for images and video analysis. Other AI tools. TensorFlow, an open source machine learning framework that provides a wide range of tools and libraries for building and deploying machine learning models. PyTorch, an open source machine learning framework that provides a flexible and dynamic approach to building and deploying machine learning models. Scikit-learn, a machine learning library for Python that provides a wide range of tools and algorithms for data analysis, machine learning, and data visualization. Microsoft Cognitive Services, a suite of pre-built APIs and SDKs that provide various AI capabilities such as speech recognition, text analysis, and image recognition. In conclusion, there are many different AI tools available for chat, audio, video, and other aspects of AI, and the selection of the right tool depends on the specific requirements and use cases. Any questions on that one?
Bob, you could have a question on that.
Yeah, Bob, all of those tools that you mentioned are things that I'm not familiar with. And I think they're the tools that developers are using to create the things that we use as end users. Is that correct?
That's
Okay.
correct. They're not end user products. These are developers' tools.
Yes, that's what I thought.
Number 2, 10 pros and cons of using ChatGPT.
Before you go on that, what are there similar tools for the dark side that are coming out?
Naturally, the dark side has been waiting for this to happen since before it was thought of. This also increases their potential of fraud. 10 pros and cons of using ChatGPT. This points out 10 reasons to use ChatGPT, also known as Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and 10 reasons not to. ChatGPT is a great tool, but it should not be the final product. As I stated in the video, I use it as an aid in the creation of this video.
10 pros and cons of using ChatGPT. Let's start with the pros of using ChatGPT. Number 1, it's fast and accurate. ChatGPT can provide fast and accurate answers to a wide range of questions, allowing users to quickly access the information they need. Its advanced NLP techniques and large-scale training allow it to understand the meaning of questions and generate relevant responses, providing users with the information they need in real time. Number 2, versatile. ChatGPT can handle a wide range of topics, including general knowledge, specific domains, and conversational interactions. This versatility makes it a highly flexible solution for a range of use cases, from computer services and support to entertainment and social interaction. Whether users need help with a task, want to have a conversation, or simply want to learn something new, ChatGPT can provide them with the information they need. Number 3, natural language processing. ChatGPT uses advanced NLP techniques to understand the meaning of questions and generate relevant answers, providing a human-like interaction. This allows users to engage with ChatGPT in a way that feels natural and intuitive, helping to build trust and confidence in the system. Number 4, scalable. ChatGPT is a scalable solution capable of handling large volumes of queries and providing answers in real time. This makes it a powerful tool for business and organizations as it can automate tasks such as customer service and support, freeing up valuable resources and improving operational efficiency. Number 5, customizable. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for specific domains and use cases, allowing for customization to meet specific needs, whether a business needs to provide a tailored response to customers' queries or a user wants to focus on a specific area of interest. ChatGPT can be tailored to provide the right answers. Number 6, cost-effective. ChatGPT can automate tasks such as customer service and support, reducing operational costs. By automating repetitive tasks, businesses and organizations can reduce their workload and improve efficiency, freeing up resources to focus on more important tasks. Number 7, accessibility. ChatGPT can be integrated into various platforms, making it easily accessible to a wide range of users. Whether users prefer to access ChatGPT through a website, mobile app, or other platform, they can easily get the information they need without having to navigate through complicated systems. Number 8, continuously improving. ChatGPT continuously learns and improves its performance, leading to a continually improving experience for users. With its ability to continually learn and adapt, ChatGPT provides users with the most accurate and up-to-date information possible. Number 9, multilingual. ChatGPT supports multiple languages, making it a global solution. This allows users from around the world to access information and engage with ChatGPT in their preferred language, improving the overall user experience. Number 10, fun and engaging. ChatGPT can provide fun and engaging conversations, making it a unique tool for entertainment and social interactions. Whether users want to have a lighthearted conversation or explore new topics, ChatGPT provides a fun and engaging experience that can help users stay entertained and informed. Now that we've looked at the pluses, let's take a look at some of the minuses or the cons of using ChatGPT. Number 1, limited contextual understanding. Despite its advanced NLP capabilities, ChatGPT may still struggle to fully comprehend the context of a situation, leading to inaccurate or inappropriate responses. This lack of contextual understanding can undermine trust in the system and limits its effectiveness in complex scenarios. Number 2, bias and lack of diversity. As ChatGPT was trained on a large data set, it may reflect bias and a lack of diversity in its responses. This can result in inappropriate or insensitive responses and limit the diversity and perspectiveness and opinions provided by the system. Number 3, dependence on training data. ChatGPT's performance is dependent on the quality and quantity of data it was trained on. If the training data is not diverse or representative of all perspectives, the responses generated by the system may be limited and biased. Number 4, limited creativity. Although ChatGPT can generate novel responses, it may still struggle to generate truly creative or original ideas. Its responses are limited by the data it was trained on and may lack originality. Number 5, limited emotional intelligence. While ChatGPT can understand the sentiment of a question or statement to some extent, it may still struggle to fully grasp emotions and human experiences. This can lead to a lack of empathy and a failure to provide emotional appropriate responses. Number 6, potential of misuse. ChatGPT's advanced language generation capabilities can also be used for malicious purposes, such as spreading false information or spreading hate speech. Number 7, need for human moderation. Despite its advanced capabilities, ChatGPT still requires human moderation and oversight to ensure that its responses are accurate and appropriate. This can add an additional layer of complexity and cost to using the system. Number 8, limited personalization. While ChatGPT can be customized to some extent, its ability to personalize its responses is limited. This can result in generic or impersonal interactions, which can limit its effectiveness in certain applications. Number 9, vulnerability to adversarial inputs. Like all AI systems, ChatGPT is vulnerable to adversarial inputs, such as deliberately misleading or malicious questions. This can lead to incorrect or inappropriate responses and compromise the integrity of the system. Number 10, need for continuous improvement. ChatGPT performance can degrade over time as it encounters new and unexpected data. To maintain its accuracy and effectiveness, it requires continuous improvement and fine-tuning, which can be a time-consuming and resource-intensive process. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for business to automate customer service and sales conversations. It is cost-effective, automated, scalable, and can be personalized to provide better customer service. However, it is important to consider the potential drawbacks of using ChatGPT, such as the lack of human interaction and potential privacy concerns. Use it as an aid in creation. Do not allow it to be the final creation. By the way, I used ChatGPT in creating this presentation, but I made edits, so it was not the final presentation. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.
I think it's probably best to hold questions till the end since we can't see everyone. So let's continue. And if you have questions, mark them down. We can go back to something if we have to. Number 3, AI in cybersecurity, the good, the bad, and the ugly. AI technology has advanced to the level that it is now at a pivotal point.
AI in cybersecurity, the good, the bad, and the ugly. AI technology has advanced to the level that it's now at a pivotal point. Artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming a powerful tool in the cybersecurity landscape, with the potential to revolutionize the way we detect and respond to cyber threats. However, as with any technology, there are also risks associated with the use of AI in cybersecurity. In this video, we will explore both the advantages and dangers of AI in cybersecurity, including examples of how cybercriminals could use AI to improve social engineering attacks, and how cybersecurity companies can use AI to better protect users. My thanks to Louis Carones for his excellent article and the inspiration for this video. You'll find his article on the Avast blog at the link listed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and get involved. One of the biggest advantages of AI in cybersecurity is its ability to automate tasks. Machine learning algorithms can be trained to identify patterns and anomalies in network traffic, allowing them to detect and respond to threats in real time. This can greatly increase the efficiency of cybersecurity teams and help them to stay ahead of rapidly evolving threats. For example, AI-based intrusion detection systems can automatically detect and block malicious network traffic without human intervention. AI can also be used to improve the accuracy of threat detection. Traditionally, cybersecurity solutions rely on rule-based systems that rely on predefined patterns to identify threats. However, these systems can be easily bypassed by attackers who use new tactics or techniques. AI-based systems, on the other hand, can learn from past incidents and adapt to new threats, making them more resilient to attacks. For example, AI-based systems can learn to identify new strains of malware by analyzing their behavior without relying on predefined patterns. Another advantage of AI in cybersecurity is that it can help organizations to prioritize their response to incidents. With the vast amount of data generated by networks, it can be difficult for security teams to determine which incidents are the most critical and require the most attention. AI can help to identify the most critical incidents and prioritize the response accordingly. For example, an AI-based system could automatically alert a security team of a high-priority incident, such as a ransomware attack, while a lower priority incident, such as a simple phishing attempt, could be handled automatically. As AI becomes more prevalent in cybersecurity, it also poses a threat to the security landscape. One of the biggest risks is that AI systems can be hacked or manipulated, potentially allowing attackers to take control of them. This could lead to the launch of devastating cyber attacks, such as a distributed denial of service attack or the exfiltration of sensitive data. For example, an attacker could use AI to evade intrusion detection systems by generating malicious network traffic that appears legitimate. Another risk associated with AI in cybersecurity is that it can be used to launch highly sophisticated and targeted attacks. AI-based systems can learn from past incidents and adapt to new tactics, allowing attackers to evade traditional security solutions and launch highly effective attacks. For example, AI-based malware could be used to evade antivirus software by constantly changing its code and behavior, making it difficult for security teams to detect. AI-based social engineering attacks are becoming more sophisticated and harder to detect. Cybercriminals are using AI to impersonate human behavior, such as using AI-generated text or voice to impersonate a trustworthy person or entity to trick users into giving away their personal information or money. This makes it increasingly difficult for users to distinguish between legitimate and malicious communications. Cybersecurity companies are using AI to protect users from these types of attacks. For example, AI-based systems can be used to detect and block malicious social engineering attempts by analyzing communication patterns and identifying anomalies. Additionally, AI-based systems can be used to identify and block malware by analyzing the behavior of files and processes in real time. The use of AI in cybersecurity can bring significant benefit in terms of automation, threat detection, and incident response. However, it also poses risks such as the potential for hacking and manipulation, the launch of sophisticated attacks, and the violation of privacy. Cybersecurity companies are using AI to protect users from these types of attacks by detecting and blocking malicious social engineering attempts, and identifying and blocking malware by analyzing the behavior of files and processes in real time. However, it is important to remember that AI is not a silver bullet. It is important to have multiple layers of defense in place to protect against cyber threats. You may wonder whether AI technology is truly as advanced as we describe. It's a fair question. Has AI technology really advanced to the point that it's now at a pivotal point? and it's continuing to gain momentum. The straightforward answer, yes. To put things in perspective, the entire text of this article has been generated by ChatGPT. The image within it has also been created using Stable Diffusion. Louis Carones only created the prompts that were necessary to explain his requests to the AI tools. We hope that taking a critical look at the text above will help you further understand the growth role of AI, both within the cybersecurity landscape and beyond. My role in all of this has been to do a bit of editing, add some additional images, and add my voice to the words created by AI. Stay safe.
Number 4, the new Bing with ChatGPT, and how you add that to also Chrome or any other Chromium-based browser. Exploring the new Bing search with built-in ChatGPT, I've also set it up on the Chrome browser. So yesterday, when I opened up my Edge browser and I did my usual check at the new Bing search tool to see whether or not I'd be greeted by the usual message, "You're on the waiting list," I got pleasantly surprised, because when I highlighted that Bing icon, guess what? I now have the new Bing search engine with ChatGPT built in. And as you can see, when I do highlight this, it opens up this new window. And from here, I can chat, I can compose. And as it says here, ask me anything. There are restrictions because ChatGPT only works through information gathered up through the end of 2021. So if you want something that happened after that date and you get an actual answer, it's probably not a true one. Up till 2021, this thing works like a charm and has lots of information and makes life a whole lot easier for you. But if you need information for something that happened after 2021, this doesn't have that information available. Keep that in mind when you use it. There's also a change in the actual search bar in Edge. You'll see recent searches, but I can also put in what's new in Bing. And you have an answer, but you have lots of other things that you can choose from. This is just the search result, and it incorporates some of the features of ChatGPT. But you do have the chat feature. You can also do shopping or get images or videos or maps and more. But the biggest added feature is, of course, the chat feature. Put it in, and this opens up ChatGPT right in your search box. Just thought you might want to take a look at what's new in Bing search in the Edge browser. But you can also add that Bing feature to a different Chromium-based browser. Let me show you how to do that. In this case, I've opened up the Chrome browser. Next, select the three-dot menu, select Settings. Now go down to Search Engine. That's, of course, set to Google. That's the default search engine in the Chrome browser. But use the pull-down menu and select Bing. Before we do this, let me go back and put this back into Google. Let me show you what my normal home screen looks like. This is the default. Now we're going to change this thing over to Bing search engine to get the advantages of that ChatGPT being added within the Bing search, but it will change your default home screen in your Google Chrome browser. So let's go back into the three-dot menu, back to Settings, back to Search, and change this to Bing. Now, let's go to a new tab, and you notice Home now looks like this. It no longer has what you originally had. Yes, you still have some shortcuts on the bottom that you set up, but they're not the same as they were when you had it set for the Google search. You are now using Microsoft's Bing search, and this is your new home page. If you're not signed into your Microsoft account, you will at this point have the option. I've already signed in because I'm using Bing. I might as well get the points when I do a search. As you see here, starts off with Ask Me Anything, and that is ChatGPT. That's the change that will occur if you decide to make Bing your default search engine on a different Chromium-based browser. As you can see, it's now available on other Chromium-based browsers, not just Edge. Number 5, a web app combining access to ChatGPT and DALL-E 2. Creating a web app that gives you access to Bing search with ChatGPT and text-to-image creation DALL-E 2 via one web app. There are also no limits to the number of images you can create using this web app. Short link to access the website is listed. Just follow it and you'll get there. I have a new web app pinned to my taskbar that gives me the best of both Microsoft Bing with ChatGPT and the image creator that's now been added to ChatGPT. It's a preview, but it's available anytime I select this icon on my taskbar. I used the image creator and typed in I wanted an image of a senior taking advantage of the help offered by Tech for Seniors. And here are the 4 images it created for me. Not bad. At least they all look like seniors. But you'll notice that next to the image creation, where you type in the text for the picture you wanted to create, there's also Microsoft Bing. And when I select it, it changes right over to Microsoft Bing with ChatGPT built in. When I'm finished on this side, I can simply hit the back arrow and I go right back to this interface. So I have everything in front of me. Microsoft Bing with ChatGPT, and I have image creation. Let me show you how I set this up. Go to the following website. I used a link shortener to make it a link that you can copy, but I will post the full link in the video show notes. Once you go to that link, this is the website that will open. From here, you can join and create. By joining, it means you'll have to sign up and give them your username and password, either by already having one or by setting one up. I'll be using my Microsoft account to sign in. Let me do that now. So I get to my account and then we'll come back to the video. I've now signed into my account and now I want to pin this to the taskbar as a web app. I'm currently on the Chrome browser and the easiest way to do that is to select the 3-dot menu. When that opens, go to More Tools, select Create Shortcut. When that opens, check the box that says Open as a window, and then select Create. It has now created that web app, and if you look down at my taskbar, you'll notice that icon has been added to the taskbar. So let me close out the website, and you are now looking at the web app itself. Let me close it and reopen it to show you how easy that works. So we'll close the web app. All I need to do now is go down to the shortcut that's been created and added to the taskbar. Select it, and voila, there is my web app where I can access Image Creator and I can access Microsoft Bing with ChatGPT. Simple, and you get one icon in your taskbar that gives you access to both. Stay safe. Next, Bard, Google's answer to ChatGPT. Bard stands for poet, referring to famous English literature, William Shakespeare's Bard of Avon. Once I was accepted by Google to try Bard, I went to the website they provided. First thing I did was to create a progressive web app out of the website and pin that app to my taskbar. Next to the image creator DALL-E 2 and Bing search, which you just saw in the previous video. Bard, Google's answer to ChatGPT. Here's my first question directed at Bard, followed by the answer I received. Tell me more about Bard and what's the acronym for Bard? Bard is a large language model from Google AI, trained on a massive data set of text and code. It can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your question in an informative way. I am still under development, but I have learned to perform many kinds of tasks, including I will try my best to follow your instructions and complete your request thoughtfully. I will use my knowledge to answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. I will generate different creative text formats of text content, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. I will try my best to fulfill all your requirements. The acronym for BARD is Bidirectional Autoregressive Decoder. This means that I'm a bidirectional model, which means that I can take into account the context of the word that comes before and after the word I am trying to generate. I am also an autoregressive model, which means that I generate one word at a time, using the words that I have already generated to predict the next word. I am still under development, but I am learning new things every day. I'm excited to see what I can do in the future to help people learn and create. Number 7, Adobe Firefly, beta and a quick look. You can apply to be a beta tester by following that link. I asked it to create an image based on the following input. Seniors seeking help from the folks at Tech for Seniors. You'll find Tech for Seniors at the link listed, and I've been a contributor since the show started, and that's now well over 4 years ago. Still going strong. So I got my letter this morning from Adobe. And as it says, it's time to try out Adobe Firefly. I was on the waiting list, and this morning I received this notice which says, "You're in." After I selected the link to check out Adobe Firefly, there was some signing in required, and you had to agree to their rules and regulations. But it was fairly simple and straightforward. Once that was all done, this is what I was greeted with, and this is what it looks like. Adobe Firefly Beta. This is the home. There's a gallery. About, which gives you information. And on the facts, you get some information. But once you get your acceptance letter, you can go through this at your own pace. Important thing here is you get to try out these features. Text to image, text effect, and the recolor vectors, that's still coming. So that's something to look forward to. Text to image. Let's go to there. I'll put in something simple. So let's generate. And as you see, it doesn't take long. Actually, pretty darn good. Now, what's selected here is art, and the style is popular. Well, let's take a look and see what it looks like if you select graphic. Still under popular. And there's what comes up with popular. Let's look under photo and see what it generates. Pretty darn good. And when we go to content type and go to none, let's get a little bit more creative. Let's go to movements. You also have something called techniques, effects, material, concept, many things to check out on this. But this is just a quick little look. Hopefully you get your invitation soon and start exploring. Nothing better than checking out something new. If you hover on the picture, you actually get to see it close up. Stay safe, stay secure. Microsoft Designer, a new tool. When I put this together, this was only via invitation. It is now available to anyone just by going to the link. Microsoft Designer, brand new from Microsoft and currently only available by invitation. Follow the link in the video notes to join the wait list. I finally got my notice this morning, so let's take a quick look at Microsoft Designer. As Microsoft states, it's never been easier to approach a blank canvas. Start with a description or a simple idea, then watch your content transform and choose your favorite design. Create a one-of-a-kind image for your designs. Add a description of the image you'd like to create, and the program or app will generate it in seconds, as you can see here from the prompts and the designs it creates. It's that simple. And get the inspiration you're looking for. Just add or remove content to get ideas for an attention-grabbing design. And there's more. Designer makes your content stand out with over 100 million images and videos for high-quality visuals. Motion graphics to make your designs more engaging. Direct publishing to your social or send to your phone for a quick share. As I said in the beginning, right now you need to join the wait list to gain access. Since I currently have access, next we're going to take a look at Microsoft Designer. So this is what the Designer looks like once you've signed in after you've gotten your invitation. And I'm going to fill in the request for the design that I want. And I'm going to use the same prompt that I did in yesterday's demo of Adobe's Firefly. Let's see what this will produce. Seniors seeking help from the folks at Tech for Seniors. Let's hit the generate and see what we get. Now you've got some options. You can add an image. You can skip and start from a blank canvas. And here's what it came up with. I think this is a pretty nice one. And I'm actually going to save this image and see if I can't use it somewhere. And that is just a quick look. There's a lot more to Microsoft's brand new designer, and I need to do some learning, but I figured it was only fair to share this as soon as it was available. So if you're interested, sign up, get on the waiting list, get your invitation, and start having some fun. Stay safe, stay secure. I'll see you again soon. Thanks and bye-bye. And as I said, that is now available to anyone. Just go to the website and get started. AI generated out-of-space images. The software DALL-E is a blend of two names, WALL-E, the animated robot Pixar character, and Salvador Dali, the Spanish surrealist painter. Music used in this video, One Time by Jeremy Black. I use Dream Studio to create the images. If you're interested in any of the images, let me know. I'll be happy to share them. Or you can access them just by following that link. Here's some cyber pop. Hope this will not be a flop.
Watch your P's and Q's or a hacker will steal your shoes. Watch out for that phishing email. The hacker usually doesn't go to jail. Make your passwords firm so things don't go wrong. Watch out for hackers, they seem to be everywhere. Be smart, don't be square, or you'll pull out your hair. Cybersecurity is a topic on everyone's mind. Learn it so you're safe and secure. Learning more is better for sure. Keep everything up to date and it will be first rate. Knowledge is the power you need. I hope this is a message you'll heed. Stay safe, stay secure. I'll see you again, that's for sure.
I provided the words. AI did the rest. Catchy little tune. Question that I got from Bill Crow. Give me a quick overview of the Sarasota Technology. No, this is not. This is one that I use for every club. If it has a website, give me a quick overview of the Sarasota Technology user group. I did send this to Bill for scrutiny, so hopefully you'll tell me how much of it was fact and how much was fiction. And you'll have to let me know because it's your club. You should know.
On Wednesday, May 5th, I'll be doing a presentation for the Sarasota Technology Users Group, and the topic will be AI, a closer look. So to get ready for it, I think I'm going to pose a question to both Bard and ChatGPT, and the question will be the same for both. So let's get to it. First, we'll ask Bard to give me a quick overview of the Sarasota Technology Users Group in Florida. So let's ask that question. And I'll go over the answer with the group itself on May 5th to have them check it for accuracy and possible misinformation. Now, let's ask the same question to ChatGPT. I'll close this one down. We'll open up ChatGPT and give it the same request for an answer. Let's see what it comes up with. Short and sweet, and from what I can see, pretty well spot on. Let's see if we get any more out of this one. Again, I'll check this with the group on May the 5th.
Actually,
Contact
May the
Sarasota
3rd.
Technology User Group and get an invitation and become a part of learning all about AI. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.
You get a chance to peek at that?
Yes.
It
I
looks
did-
good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it did say something about the Yahoo group, and we closed out the Yahoo groups, went away a couple of years ago when we switched. But that information was right before we made that move. And I can't remember if the first one said we started in 1984, and I think the second one said 82.
One was 84, one was 82.
Yeah.
And the last one said you had 200 plus members
No, it said 300,
or
Yes.
300 members. Yeah.
and we're less than that.
Yep. It does like to make up things. That's why you use it, just as it said, as a tool. And then you have to peruse it and make the corrections. But it does give you a great outline to work with. And that's a help. As long as you don't send out what it creates as the final part, you should be okay. The rest of the presentation will be hands-on demonstration of ChatGPT, Bard, and DALL-E. I'll be using the information that was provided to me. Huey sent me a couple of things to put in for Bard and ChatGPT and something to add for DALL-E. Actually, night. Well, you'll see when I use the program. So let me get out of the presentation, and then we'll go and do the rest of it hands-on. Share the screen again. This time we'll do the whole screen. Why did that not work? Okay, I guess I have to close PowerPoint the hard way.
It still wants you to either save or don't save. Just try don't save this time.
All
you go.
right, now we're out of it. Now I can get to what I want to get to. And the question you sent me was about the Osborne effect and what caused it. So copy and I had created so many shortcuts that I've started to run out of room on the desktop. So what I did is I created a folder called AI Tools. And all of these things in here are AI tools that were originally at one point or another pinned to the desktop or to the bar itself. And then I just moved them over. All right, first place we're going to go is Bard. We'll ask it that question and we'll see what it spits out. And I'm going to take the easy way out of this. I'm going to take all of this, copy it, and then I'm going to open the chat. I don't want it to go to Stan. I want it to go to everyone. And it won't allow me to send it. It's too long. I can't do that.
That worked.
Yeah, I'm cutting it.
You did the same one twice. The second one didn't work.
The 1983 didn't work.
Yeah, no. I think I tried to take a picture of it. There it is.
Now you've got everything.
Yep.
And then you can go over it at your own leisure, and you'll have it if you're saving the chat. Okay, that took care of Bard. So let's close out Bard. Now I have to go back here. Copy this again, because I sure don't want to paste into the. No, I don't want you. That's the baby. It's thinking.
Yeah, I did a couple today that I went and got something to eat and came back and it finally finished.
Mm.
Does that Bard effect seem reasonable, Wally or Huey?
Yeah, the Osborne effect was back when the Osborne 1 came out in 1983. They announced the updated one coming before they actually put the Osborne 1 on sale. Some people had it, but not many. And so people just stopped buying it. And they ran out of money before they could come out with the second model. They went out of business.
Boy, this is taking forever.
Yeah,
It must be a busy time of the night.
Yeah.
For ChatGPT. Huey, I think what we're going to do is, let me get.
Yeah, because we're running
We're running
a little over. So
yep. You put this
We're
one
losing
down
people.
here. Night. Oh, and I don't have one for that one. Okay. So we'll open up the browser and we'll go to tools and we'll go to art. Go to night. And what was it you sent me? Come on. 2 men and 1 woman repairing a laptop computer. That's the question, or that's the prompt we're going to put to this. What did I just do?
Hit the create at the top.
Oh, I need to select. Let's make it 4. I still have 800. Oh, now I'm down to 797 images that I'm allowed to create. But this is where all of the, and there are the 4. They come up with some pretty wild ones.
Try a starry night. See what happens.
I think we're already running way over, huh? So that's what we got on there. What did you want me to try?
A starry night. No, not sorry, starry.
Well, you expect me to be able to type too?
Look like me.
What the heck? We'll waste another 3 credits.
Just amazing what comes out when you do that.
Yep. Oh,
I thought it might show Van Gogh.
You can put a Van Gogh as
in
a
the style of
description,
Van
yeah,
Gogh.
the style
Yeah.
of Van
you
Gogh.
can
and it
you
will
can
do
add
that.
so many different variations. This is a nice one. Hawaii, anyone? I think I've been there not that long ago.
But just typing in a few words gives you a picture.
Right. And there are many, many parameters that you can put in there. In the style of is one of them. So now somebody had left in a message, add me to your list of folks who are looking for a presentation or something to that effect. I just caught a glance of it as it popped up. If you want to get in touch with me, bob3160@gmail.com. So if you have any requests, any questions, anything that you would like some clarification on, send me an email. That's the easiest way. That way I can get back to you. And if you can't remember my email, Huey's. You can send it to him and he'll pass it on to me.
Yeah, and one of the things I forgot to mention when I did the announcements, that it's a Friday, I think it's the 27th is the date. It's on the calendar. I'm going to start a forum group. It's going to be called AI, just an AI discussion. And we'll just kind of figure out what we can do and what we can't do, and ask some questions and try some different things, and make a nice discussion out of it. If we get enough interest, I'll do it on a monthly basis. And so you do have to get in touch with me and I'll send you the link.
Are you talking about May?
Yes.
27th is a Saturday.
Then it's the 26th.
Okay.
Send me input or a.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
Bernard has his hand up. You're muted.
Yes, I try to follow you along as you were reading the script. I think that the print ink in the background color was a little difficult to see.
On a couple of slides, I agree with you. Part of the good stuff of AI, PowerPoint has now put AI into practice, and it won't allow you to do that kind of crap anymore. When I originally put that together, I wasn't paying attention to the background color, and it looked better in the creation than it did in the finished product. But now there's something built into PowerPoint via AI that won't allow you to do those kind of between background and foreground, where it's very hard to see the text. And I agree with you. There are a couple of slides in there that made reading it very hard.
Okay, I didn't know if it was you particularly or the AI program.
No, that was PowerPoint and the creation portion in PowerPoint, where it picked the colors for the background and the foreground. And there are a couple of slides where it's bad choices, and that part won't happen anymore.
Was it PowerPoint or the Pictory?
PowerPoint.
Okay.
That was a PowerPoint creation, just PowerPoint. Then I opened up Zoom and used PowerPoint as the backdrop. And then I used my recorder to do the recording. And so there's quite a few steps that go into making, as you know, a video.
Well, you did one heck of a good job, Bob. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Any more?
Any more questions?
Questions? But it was a terrific presentation. Bob, thank you so much for coming back to us this month again. And we love the first one. We love the second one. We'll see you again. And all of you have a wonderful evening.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everybody.
Good night.